Hi, it's Chris, and today we're going to be talking about the importance of being pre-approved well in advance of making an offer on a house. The general challenge that buyers have is that they don't make purchases often, so they're unaware of the buying process as well as how this fits in with the seller. I mean, there is another side to this transaction, right? And so what buyers experience first is that the market steeply favors sellers. And if a house is properly priced and marketed well, it's going to generate multiple offers. And we all know that there can only be one winner, right? And what this means is that there are other buyers that you're competing against looking for the same house, right? Who have lost on a few properties and now have offer experience, resulting in them being properly pre-approved and ready to move very quickly when the right property comes along. The largest blind spot buyers have is a belief that it shouldn't matter to the seller who the lender is. The fact is, the seller doesn't care about your interest rate or the great financing deal you found. They are interested in getting their money out of the property. See, they have equity in the home that they're trying to access and have plans of their own. The seller's agent is going to call the loan officers on any offer that they receive to verify the pre-approval letters and kick the tires on the offer funding. You know, these sellers, they hire these agents, these listing agents, for their experience. And these experienced listing agents also provide historical experience with the lenders to their client as well. And many agents have been burned by large lending institutions, online lenders, and other small depository lenders. And over the years, this accumulates, and they are able to share this historical experience with their client. They're obligated to. Meaning, you could lose out based on your lender's historical performance. And by the way, a performance that you know nothing about because you don't do this that often. Again, the seller doesn't care about your rate or how good of a financing deal you have. They are solely focused on your ability to perform. Your offer, no matter how good it is chained to the lender's reputation, whether you feel it or not. And that is one of the largest blind spots buyers encounter without ever knowing it. So, you could get a pre-qualification with an online vendor, a large lender or a depository lender who will either have a bad history or will not be available when we need them the most, which is during the evenings and weekends, to take the necessary steps to help get your offer accepted in a multiple offer situation. But this doesn't seem like a good option. You could wait right up until the house finds you, and then everything is rushed and panicked and you're operating without the confidence and necessary speed needed to beat out the other offers. This really doesn't seem like the best option for you either. See, the best way to make a purchase is to get pre-approved ahead of time with a lender that has in-house underwriting. This means you will have identified a loan product that fits your needs, you understand what the payments will look like, and most of the underwriting has been performed with the exception of what they need from the home. This is the surest way to get your offer accepted in addition to selecting me as your agent. In my experience, when buyers are prepared, they have a higher chance of beating out competition, right? They're better able to focus on the home inspection, and they can coordinate their move a whole lot better and with less overall stress. I'm always available if you'd like to ask me questions about the home buying process, or if you'd like more access to my videos. And you can reach me at 571-228-4159. Now, if you're comfortable, you can take steps today by accessing the turnkey portal down below, which is encrypted and secured. And you can also schedule a time to talk with John Regano with SWBC ahead of going into the turnkey system as well. We're here to help. All you have to do is reach out. Thanks, and I hope you're having a great day.